Popular dancehall entertainer Tifa engaged. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. In a heartwarming display of love and commitment, dancehall artist Tifa has announced her engagement to fellow artist Kimani West, who goes by the name Dyum. The exciting news finally comes after Tifa revealed her mystery lover's face on social media, ending weeks of speculation from her fans. Tifa, whose real name is Latifah Brown, shared the special moment on Instagram on Tuesday, posting a video of the romantic proposal.
After you, madam. What are you up? What are you up to? Hello, girl, love for me. Yeah. Come here, man.
Congratulations have been pouring in on social media from several personalities for the two dancehall sweethearts. Media personality and singer Tammy Chin Mitchell wrote, "Aw, Tickles, I'm so happy for you." Communication specialist and former People's National Party PNP politician Crystal Tomlinson also commented. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.